Hello everyone, I am Dr. Kashif Prince and we are going to start a tutorial in which we will learn how to edit and format thesis. Actually, I made this tutorial in Urdu or Hindi language, but many people requested me to make it in English so that they can understand. So I am trying to remake it for those who cannot understand. So we will start uh, editing thesis. This is an advanced course of Word. Actually, we have planned another course in which we will teach Microsoft Office in detail from basics to pro level. This is for the students those are writing their thesis in their final stages in the schools, in the colleges, or at university level. So this tutorial is for those students who are seeking help in writing thesis and formatting it. So basically this is just for formatting. For content we will have the different lecture series. We will update it regularly. So before moving forward you should subscribe this channel so that every video which we will upload on the channel you can see them, you can watch them, and you can learn from them. So in this series of tutorials we will learn how to do the initial settings at Word before starting the writing. We will see how it is important, and then we will see how to add the heading and subheading at the different levels. We will discuss it in detail. Then how to add the table of content and how to add the custom table of content. We will learn all of these. How to set up the page numbers and how to set the custom page numbers we will see in detail. How to set header and footer, and then how to do the different settings for the different chapters, and how to set the references in hanging style, which is also requirement of a thesis. We have made another tutorial in which we will teach you how we use the reference management softwares like EndNote. So we will also make it available for you very soon. And then we will see how to add the pictures and the tables, and we will see how we can add their list along with the table of content, the list of tables and list of figures. So these are the outcomes of this course which you will learn with the different video lectures, and we will just start today with the initial page settings, and the other things will be discussed in the later tutorials. So we will move toward the initial page setting. So let's start our today's lecture with the basic page setting. Basic page setting is the first step in your thesis writing. So without jumping here and there, you should set up a page according to your thesis requirement. You have to see your university or your school requirement before going to start writing the thesis properly. So I will do the basic settings according to my PhD thesis. So if you have a different type of settings, you can do it very easily. So you can see from this section the home is selected. We will go directly to that section. This is a style sections in which we have to make the different styles of writing. So first style is writing. This is called normal. This style determines the body text. Like anything you will write here will be written according to the selected style. For example, I write something here. This is written according to this style, and this style has Calibri font and 11 size of the text, but we have to change it according to our thesis. So let's move to the first step and we will change. How we will change? We will go to that style section and we will click right. We will do right click here and we will move to the second option, that is modify. We will click here and there will be a pop-up will appear on your screen and you will have to do the settings here. So first of all, I will set the fonts as Times of New Roman. Size will be 12 according to my thesis, and then I will go to format section, and in the format I will go to paragraph, and in the paragraph I will do the basic setting like before text. We will keep it like that. First of all, the alignment should be justified according to my thesis. You can do if it's justified, if it is left, if whether it is centered, whether it's right. But according to my thesis, it's justified, and most of the theses have the justified body text. And this will be 0 as such. The special, every first line is always little bit inward. You can see the line that is appearing here moves inward. So you have to do setting according to that. The first line a little bit starts from the inward direction, inward from that margin. So we will set it here. Okay, then we will set the spaces to automatic, and this will also be automatic, and then the line spacing will be double, and I will click. According to my thesis, these things are okay to me, so I will click OK. You will do it according to your thesis. It's okay. Then I have set the normal style, then I will click on OK. Then I will move to the heading style 1. This heading style will be the title of the chapter, like introduction, review of literature, material method. So this will be according to the chapter, title. So my chapter title is usually 14, and the font was Times of New Roman. It was also bold. Its alignment was centered, and its color was black. So I will select like that. So in the paragraph I will select, and here you can see that the first line is special. So I will click it none, because if it will be selected as a special, it will not be at the center position. So line spacing could be double, we can make it single, so I will make it single, and I will click on OK. And this is the heading style 1. You can say that see that it is automatically changed to that. Then heading style, this will be the subheading under the main chapter. You can say the headings under the chapter. This is the heading level 2. So heading level 2 in my thesis was 12. It was Times of New Roman. It was bold. Color was black. In the format section, in the paragraph, the first line will becomes none. Everything would be like that. I can keep it double or single. So in my thesis it was single, so it will be okay. So now I will click here, and I have selected the heading style to 2. Thirdly, I will edit the heading style 3 also. So this will be Times of New Roman 12, bold, color will be black, and in the format section, in the paragraph, first line changes into none. Line spacing double, we will move into the single, and then OK. We are all set for now. Secondly, after that we have to set the page margins and page orientation. So we will go to the layout. In the layout we will select the margin. In my thesis, margin was 1 inches each side. We will click here. Orientation in my thesis was portrait, you can make it landscape. Page size in my thesis was A4 size, but I don't know if you have any size like that. You can see your requirement and you can change from here. And the column in the thesis are usually one column, so we are all set for the page setting. From the next lecture we will learn how to move forward. So for that time I will take the leave, and stay tuned to this channel and keep watching the videos, and please subscribe channel.